How's my angle? Do I need to go up?
I feel like I'm taking a selfie right now.
You look great.
I think it's good.
Alright.
I don't know. I always try to keep it so that way, like, I don't know. Yeah, it's probably fine.
Alright.
Heck yeah, man.
Heck the freak yeah.
Heck the freak yeah. That's scary.
It's so wet.
Oh, yeah.
Is my butt wet?
They have to have.
Is that a vaporizer?
Yeah. I'm a fan of flavored air.
Big flavored air guy.
Not all the time. I haven't even hit it. Alright, so we go out right, and then at the light we're going to go left. That's good? Sounds good.
Out right, then out at the left, right, light. Wait, frick. Out right, and then at the light, left. That's right. No, that's left. Oh crap, it's raining. It's wet. Ew. Jack's making me wet.
What did he say?
Oh, that means I gotta pull the seat down. We'll be chilling in my car.
We'll be like this. We'll be like,
We'll probably,
you know,
we'll probably be hanging like this.
we'll probably be doing this, to be honest. Probably will. That's hard, yeah. Just like, we'll be just like this the whole time. Just totally just so chill. The whole way up, we're just, yeah, like, maybe one of these. Rain scares me. I don't ride in the rain. Oh, I'm so wet! Ooh, that's pretty. Not even listening to music. Don't even need to be. Oh, I need a pin lock, or whatever they call it on this thing. The thing that makes it defogatize. Idiot! It's raining, you goober. What a dumb, silly, goofy, stupid head. Whee! What is that? Field house. Is this a school? Can't see my visor. Oh, it definitely is a school. I saw some Lululemon girls. Whee! I wonder what Jack is talking about. Nothing better than some good old sound pollution.
I have a question. Instead of pizza, do you want to eat really good chicken? Yeah. That's what I'm feeling. Some chicken. It's really fucking good. It's like my favorite place ever. That's as American as it gets, brother. It is Music City Hot Chicken, and it is the best chicken place in Fort Collins, Colorado. I swear to God, if you tell me otherwise. Hey man, that's a pretty sweet bike you got. Yeah. I got it online. Oh nice. Hell yeah. If you tell me otherwise, that Music City Hot Chicken is not the best chicken place in Fort Collins, I don't fuck with you. I will never fuck with you. Because there's other places, like Dave's Hot Chicken. That place is ass. Music City Chicken is where it's at, brother. Oh shit, look at that. Oh damn, he's hit that shit. Woo! Moto.
Ooh, those chicken tenders are coming back up. My middle school coach used to always say it's better around the second time. Oh my goodness. I think that was a little GTR ski with a no hood. Woo! Sorry. What was I saying? Pueblo Viejo. Pueblo. Oh, they have a Bojo's here? What? Oh man. I didn't know y'all had a Bojo's in this town.
Yeah, we do. I have it. It's in here.
Oh.
The plate is in here.
On this bike?
Yeah.
Is there no plate?
No, it's in the back.
Oh, you have it?
Yeah, I have it.
Frick.
I don't know.
Ah!
I just looked at it. Top of the test. You might not even pull it over.
What do we do?
I don't know. Just get right.
Can we switch bikes?
I don't know.
It's okay. There's another one on your left.
Oh my god.
Okay. You go on ahead. There's like policeman. Jack doesn't put plates on his bike. Exposed. Somebody tell Jack he needs some plates on his bike. Frick, man. I forgot. He said the cop was tapping his own head back there or something. Ooh, a little raccoon. Ah, this mic is tickling my chin hairs. I'm trying to drive like a safe, responsible individual. That guy's grooving. I don't know what he's on, but I would like a pound of it. Cool. That cop had a bike on the back of his car. Is that a normal thing here? Shout out that man. Whee! smack my head on that sign. I can't see. 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 Like the rain. I don't like this at all. I'm wet. I'm soggy. I'm like a biscuit left in the bathtub. Relatable, right? Relatable. Why is he enjoying this? Why are you enjoying this? We're not supposed to be enjoying this. This is cold and rainy and wet and stuff. Hey, it's raining. What? It's raining.
Yeah, I think it's raining a little bit.
I think it maybe is.
It's a lot worse than I thought it was going to be.
I can literally feel my... It's so slippery, I can feel it. Let me let some air in here. Pop the helmet crease. Oh my god, it's getting worse. That thing popping like crazy up there. This is not ideal conditions. I repeat, not ideal conditions. Woo. God bless, I just sound like a gunshot in my face. Poor guy. I'm easy. His neck's hurting and I'm over here playing Jingle Bells with the throttle. This is great. I'm having a good time. I need a windshield wiper. There's like a tiny gap in my helmet where there's no fog and I'm just going off that, baby. My hoodie is soaked. And my pants are transparent. Literally transparent. Oh, we're going left here? Oh man.
Oh my god.
I know!
I haven't ridden in rain like, I'm not even gonna lie, I haven't ridden in rain very much.
I don't think I really have either. Can we go?
Yeah, we can.
Okay. The only warmth right now is coming from the bike engine. And it is a very nice warmth. Huh? Huh? What is he saying? Oh my gosh. It's gonna be a long car ride back up to S. Long cold car ride. My pants are literally transparent, man. We might have to put this on a different website. Oh my god, this isn't fun. I think it might be raining a little bit. I'm gonna have to like dry myself with a blow dryer. I gotta get home quick too. And we gotta drop this bike off. Sheesh. Lens is probably covered in water. Dude, my jacket is soaked. Absolutely soaked. Yeah, I'm just gonna talk. Screw the footage. I'm just talking. This is so fun. Oh my goodness. Oh me, oh my. It's a bit wicked then, isn't it? A wee bit wet then, isn't it? Woo! There he goes! It gets worse! I can't even see the hand signal. Right? Left? I think we're going right. Oh my gosh. This is not fun. Even though I keep saying it's fun. It's kind of fun. I'm gonna be honest. It's kind of fun. But only kinda. I can't see anything. That's the only issue. I can see Jack's brake light and that's about it. I think the road is cracked. I can't see really. It looks like it. I'm just going off of his brake light. Oh, it is cracked. I see it now. This poor road. I don't even know what I'm doing. Why does this man live in the middle of nowhere? Okay, smooth road. Oh, smooth road with a crack in it. Oh, it smells weird. Yeah. Oh. This road is so bad. You can literally see through my pants.
Oh my god.
Let me turn this off.